your money. To let you know, again, let me just talk to you a little bit. Do you know the HR wrote to this church? They want to sponsor charity for this good church. They said, I told them, what do you call winner? Go and go. Money. This is the largest church in the whole world. He said, what do I make SN for? He said, what do I think? I said, he said, the amount that no matter. I've recommended to which she accepted community development. So don't be surprised. It's your community. We are going there to do some charity. Yes, they have sponsored the charity program I did at Yamino, Opali.
Okay.
My couple is not there. They funded this 100%. Huh? So, set your mind. They are coming out to get people into employment. They have memorandum of understanding with Federal Ministry of Labor and Productivity. So, my people, I congratulate as many of you that are here. All you need to do, go down there and let them know. Go and share the good news of SM to as many that you know. Put your mind at rest. Give them guarantee. Give them guarantee. The fake of this are still plenty on the net. You will still come across them. It's unfortunate if you, because of your past experience, I always tell people, I've covered many things, which I'm not going back on that program. I told many people, what I want to say now, if it's wrong, I will give you a chance to prove me wrong. Is there anywhere where there is fake on its own without the original? Does fake come into being on its own without the original? Do you know of any fake thing that don't say have the original? Anyone to contradict that statement and give me a sample of any fake? Fake doesn't exist on their own. No. They always copy the original. I'm in Canada, I'm not in Mochalachi, so I'm free, I can make this statement. Quran is a fake of Bible, if you don't know. That's why there are many chapters in Quran that when you read, you will think that they are paraphrasing Bible. Go and read Quran chapter 3 and 4. See what you read here. And even human beings that God created, they are fake human beings that copy the original. It is original that is self-existent, not fake. To make the matter worse, when you have one original, you can have 10 fake of the same original. So fake are more preponderant than the original. So I have to say this so that many people that want to be discouraged because they don't believe you, they say it's fake. You are talking to people and they don't live there. Like HR told me, he said, don't worry yourself, Mr. Brother. They will soon regret that they will have, that they didn't join at the time I told them. They will soon regret that when you are telling them, they don't follow you. Before we continue, I want to conclude this first section that has covered something on that is more or less motivational to let you know why you should concentrate and be committed, adequately committed to this. In any program, in any endeavor, in any project, I want to let you say no today. There are 4 obstacles that prevent people from succeeding. Therefore, their habit, human habit, that prevent people from succeeding. If you have Bible, you can begin to write it down. 1 is pride. Pride. There are many people, something that would have made them in life because of